excited about some new Pockies that are off in Danda. Who doesn't love Danda? All the Japanese treats and food. You can get little bento boxes, you can get little kits, you can get the seaweed to make the little rice pandas, you can get miso bowls and foods and ramune and everything. And my favorite, you can get Pocky! And now Danda has some new Pocky. We've got almond crush, so chocolate with almond nuts in it. Yay, protein, right? But delicious, chocolatey, sweet, Japanesey, Pocky protein. But there's new flavours too. I'm super excited about that. There is Brazilian orange. I don't think other than strawberry, I don't think I've actually ever had a fruit flavoured Pocky before. I think I saw lemon, but I never got to try it. So now there's orange Pockies. How exciting. Can't wait to taste them, and they even look orange. Yay! And also coconut, Pocky coconut. I'm a huge fan of coconut. I love coconut chips, coconut milk, coconut shavings, essentially anything other than coconut water plain. So Pocky chocolatey coconut should be amazing. And I got an extra special treat today. It's a candy kit. You can make like tiny little ice creams and like a cake, and I think that's meant to be a pie, and you make miniature versions of these candy things. I have all the instructions in the back. But yeah, you get tiny little waffle cone, you get a tiny little pastry basin, you follow the instructions, and you make miniature desserts. How adorable is that? So I can't wait to try that, and I hope it doesn't taste horrible. I mean, I've seen some of the videos on YouTube before where people do make the kits, like little hamburgers and miniature pizzas, and apparently they don't taste very good. But I figured that since this is dessert and it's essentially just cookies and sugar, can you really mess up fun sugar? I mean, sugar, right? So yeah, can't wait to try this out. Plus, it looks absolutely adorable. And of course, if you're going to go to Danda and get Japanese food, you can't go past Ramune. Strawberry this time. Oh, I guess it looks like I did do my exciting, yay, Danda is awesome. Let's get all the Pockies video that I originally intended to do. Because, you know, Japanese treats are amazing. Thank you, Japan, for all your deliciousness and your adorable kawaiiness. But then, when I was about to head home, something even better. There's an international street food market in the city, up at King George Square. So it had all sorts of food. There were French crepes, there was gnocchi, there was German bratwurst and hot dogs, there was pizza, there was lots of ice cream, there were buffalo wings, there was Malaysian curry, there was like all sorts of things. So, I mean, you're going to take advantage of any special event offering international cuisine, right? Well, you don't, I do. If there's international food and I don't have to just jump on a plane and spend lots of money to go there, I'm gonna try it. So, yummy, yummy. Street food yummies. And this street food is all the way from Vietnam. I have Vietnamese pancakes. They're the vegetarian Vietnamese pancakes. So they have a tofu and cashew kind of thing. I think that's in here somewhere. Maybe it's actually in the pancakes, but yeah. Vegetarian Vietnamese pancakes, yay! It smells so good, like really, that just smells divine. And it's got nuts, look at all the nuts. Now doesn't that just look absolutely gorgeous? It smells so good, it's fresh street food, you sit down, you wait, you get your little number while they make it all up there so it's not been sitting in a box for ages. And it just smells divine, like I can't wait to dig into this one. Plus, another one, Juice Lab. You can get them anywhere, they're like just Coles, Woolies, supermarket juices. Notice the black sticker. If you see Juice Lab, they're amazing. Oh, got some sauce on me. They really are amazing. This one's Chill Out, and the reason it's called Chill Out is because not only does it have Madagascan vanilla beans, so it tastes extra smoothie vanilla-y, it's also got chamomile in it. Now, if you don't follow herbology, you probably still recognize chamomile because chamomile tea is very popular. Chamomile is relaxing. It calms you down. It makes you sleepy. Chamomile is perfect when you're stressed out or you can't go to sleep. It slows everything down. It smells delicious. It's very, very florally fragrant, kind of almost honeyish, sweetish, and it helps you go to sleep. It's just bliss and meditation. So yeah, the chill out juice has chamomile in it, Madagascan vanilla bean, as well as pears and banana. It's delicious, it's nutritious, it's creamy, and I love trying all the different juices whenever I get my nails done. Like, it's really good. I mean, might not be as fun as a Ramune, but definitely much better for you. Yeah. Ramune and Vietnamese street food. I'm gonna be a happy bubby tonight. Yes, the tofu is in the pancake. It's got mushroom and tofu and a nutty kind of sauce. The curry sauce, it's all cashews. So if you like cashews and spicy cashews, it's spicy, yay. So Vietnamese pancakes, definite win. It's spicy, it's creamy, it's definitely savory. Full of nuts, and this is just absolutely amazing. Now before I dig into it too much, I did notice a YouTuber, one of my favourite YouTubers, wasn't familiar with Ramunes and struggled to get it open. So I'm assuming since she's not exactly unfamiliar with international foods, it might be a common issue for people. So before I go, Ramunes. Ramunes are a fun soft drink. They're really, really popular in Japan. I think they might even be the most popular soft drink in Japan. And you can get big ones now. And when you open it, you'll see it's kind of got a lid with a tiny little marble, and you get this little thing. Now to open it, first, you pop this thing out. That seems to be the issue that a lot of people have, because they will get this and they'll put it on and they won't be able to work out, how to open it. And you can't if you just use it this way. I mean, I'm guessing there might be a way that you can, but you're making things a lot more difficult for yourself. So first, you take it out. Then, this little thing is what opens it. That's, wear it as a ring, make jewelry out of it, doesn't matter. Discard it, but you keep this bit. Then, you put that on top of the marble, and easier on a table. I just don't know if you're going to see anything. Keep it down, keep it on the top end. I swear it's easier when I'm not filming it. And you pop it through. And you can see the little marble inside. This one's the strawberry flavour. The traditional one that's really popular is blue. Well, the drink is clear, but the glass is bluish. But this one is strawberry, and I love the strawberry one. It smells like lollies, and it tastes pretty much like liquid lollies. It's really, really good. But yeah, Ramunes, pop the top off, slam it down, get the marble into the neck, and that's all you need to do. Definitely highly recommend them. So I am going to feast on pancakes, enjoy some probably orange Pockies, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Bon appetit! Have a delicious dinner!
realize there's more.
There you go. You go in a second. 不行，我还是觉得